Hey everyone, my name is Robbie, and welcome back to my channel, Arch Rendering. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly hide and unhide any element in Revit, a simple but super useful feature. It's a quick way to clean up your view or focus on specific parts of your model without deleting anything. Hide an element. Select the object, e.g. a wall or beam. Press EH or go to Modify Hide in View Elements. The object disappears from the view but remains in the model. Use Hide Category if you want to hide all elements of the same type. Reveal hidden elements. Press RH or click the light bulb icon on the View control bar. View enters reveal mode, visible elements fade, hidden ones appear in red. Spot the item you want to unhide. Unhide an element. Select the hidden element. Press EU or right-click Unhide in View Elements. Exit reveal mode by clicking the light bulb again or pressing RH. Wrap up. That's it! Now you can easily hide, reveal, and unhide elements in Revit using EH, RH, and EU. Great for keeping your views clean and organized. Like, subscribe, and let me know what Revit tricks you want next. Thanks for watching.